What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of the weekend so far, and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. Of course, we're going to do a full update. We'll talk about next week tomorrow, in terms of news that we can expect, etc. But right now, there's actually enough to talk about in terms of technicals, because we actually look quite good, I would say. All right, and that's a rare thing to say in these circumstances. I mean, I've thought this before. I mean, when we had that bullish momentum on Thursday morning, I was slightly optimistic as well, and then it turned into nothing. So it doesn't really mean anything what I think. But no, both technically, we got a bullish breakout. We are gaining some momentum. We're seeing some bidding, at least into today. So that's at least interesting. All right. So that's what we'll talk about. Apart from that, ETF inflows last week. To talk about some fundamentals were absolutely horrific. They were basically only outflows. We had some inflows across the board for some ETFs, but that's it. So that's not great, but that's also a sign of the times, all right? Because if you look at Bitcoin right now, and you look at the 4-hour time frame, like, this is still very bearish, all right? There's nothing bullish about this. Like, if we really zoom into the 1-hour time frame, what I just did, then you can see we got some bullish momentum. We got a bullish breakout here above this level, and there's some other interesting things, all right? Like if you look at this bottom right here at 63,500, first of all, purely technically, that's a very strong support level. Then you can also see that there's a bit of a divergence where we are still making lower lows on the price side, but the RSI, so the relative strength, is already going up, which is a bullish divergence. So that's good to see usually. And then apart from that, what I think is most interesting at this moment is that we actually do see some bidding coming in. So we have seen this playbook before. Like, I think it was before we started aggressively dumping in June. But what we saw sometimes in May is that the weekend is actually a relatively good time where you see some bullish momentum coming in. Some bullish momentum coming in, and then on Sunday evening into kind of Monday morning, it all drops back down again. So that is, I'm not sure if we'll get that today, but what you can see is that we have some increased open interest here with a positive CVD. And the last time we had that was yesterday afternoon, which also was, I mean, yesterday into like 1-2 o'clock, we were actually relatively strong. And there were also some opportunities for altcoins. So for now, with what I see, with a bullish confirmation here at the bottom, apart from that, the bottom being strong, and then some sort of confirmation as well of continued bullish momentum into today with the bidding, open interest, gain with a positive CVD, and don't forget the bullish breakout above 64,300. That's enough for me to believe we will see some more bullish momentum over the course of today. Now, how high that's going to get us, I'm not sure. I mean, the main resistance level I'm looking at right now is between 65,500 and 65,000 right here. I think it's quite likely we get up there. Breaking above that is a completely different animal. And I would say it's a possibility, but then because I am getting some bottom vibes here, but you need much more confirmation for that. So I will probably, kind of depending on the market circumstances, like if we see a lot of movement, I will for sure do a middle of the day market update. But no, in general, I'll keep you updated on that. All right, short term, this is what I expect. But it is like whether we can actually continue to be bullish and whether we will dump on Sunday or not really depends on the momentum and the price action we see until Sunday. And until, basically in the next 12 to 24 hours. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.